Hi friends, in this video I gonna show you how to do this type of business card design by using Photoshop, so let's get started. At first open Photoshop and create a page, size 3.5 inches by 2 inches, or resolution 300 pixel per inches. Then draw a shape with pen tool like this. Second shape also. I wanna use those color in my business card shape. If you want those color codes, so check out video description below. Double tap on first shape layer for choice color. I use gradient in second shape by double click on second shape layer. Then drag your company logo PNG file on your design. Set the logo according to your size. After setting logo, write your company name. Set the size of text 10. I used Lato font in company name. Use white color. Then adjust your logo and company name according to your business card size. Group all the layer and name first page. And hide this group. Now duplicate the first shape and flip vertical and also horizontal. Adjust shape. Then duplicate the second shape and adjust. Group those shape and name this background shape. Copy logo and company name and paste in second page. I wanna use this color black. Then place logo according to your business card design. Draw a line shape with shape tool in the middle of the page and change the color black. Now write the owner name in main color. I use the font style Lato, and change the font size 10. You can also add icon in your design. I am using this icon collection. If you want this icon pack, contract with me in Facebook, link in video description below. Adjust icons serially. I am using contract and information font style Lato Light. Then adjust all those information how do you want. Select all the showing layer, then group them together and rename second page. And the business card is complete. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.